Morning guys, it's the day of the MOT. Got a few things just to button up, not a lot, but I'll give you a quick show around. So everything's back together, showed you all this yesterday. A couple of things got to do inside, just get the interior mirror on. Sun visors, not a lot really, just got to have a bit of tidy up in here. Not a lot, but it is dusty as hell, so I'll give it a vacuum out, because obviously I've been grinding and stuff. And then I've got to sort all this out a little bit so I can get it out of the workshop. So I'll have to slide that down by the bike. I'll have to clear all this side because I'll have to swing it out, and I'll be using those dollies to swing the back end round, I suspect. Right, let's try and get it out. Sorted. Well, there's a gap. The bus is having its MOT. We'll see what happens. Cheers. Right guys, we're back from the MOT. Bit of an epic. Dropped it off at 10 and it's just gone 6. They had problems there. Not their fault, but still a pain for me because I've lost time doing what I need to repair. And it did fail. It failed on parking brake efficiency less than 50% of required value. Well, we got suspension component mounting prescribed area excessively corroded, significantly reducing structural strength near side rear chassis member. So I'll see if I can find that and take a bit of video of it. Headlamp aim on one of them. Suspension component mounting prescribed excessively corroded, and that's near side front cross member. And then we got both lower front ball joints need replacing. There's some minors as well, but that's about it. So I'll see if I can find the areas which he's talking about. He said he's marked them up, and we'll have a look, see how bad they are. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm underneath. This is the front cross member, and he's marked it up with yellow. Can you see it there? There it is. So that ain't too bad. I was expecting worse there. I'd say the hole's about 1/4 inch diameter, so obviously it's going to be bigger than that when you get to it. Not the easiest to do, but we'll get there, I'm sure. So now I've got to try and find the back one. Right, so we're under the back now. Squeezed under the back, may I say. Right, and he's marked up that area there. So there's a bit rotty there. I'm going to see if I can put my hand up there, show you this. Oh, come on, wobbly. So that's the sort of size that it sort of gives. Wish I had tiny little hands, and then that would be easy repair. Not a nightmare, but not what I wanted. Bit disappointing, but there we go. Just looking at the back brakes, Just took the drum off and everything looks relatively good. There's plenty of meat on the pads, so that's good. No leaks from the cylinder. It looks a bit dry in there. The adjuster, it doesn't look like it's been working, so might have just a bit of a lube up in there, make sure everything's free, but I don't think I need to order anything for that. So I'll have a quick look at the other side. And this is passenger side. I reckon pretty much the same as the other side. Plenty of meat on the pads, nothing untoward in there, it's all dry, lots of dust, and the adjusters are dry as a bone, so not a lot of movement going on there, I suspect. So really could have got away with adjustment maybe, but let's have them apart, give them a good clean, and then we know they're right. They are the brakes anyway. Right, so we've seen the rusty bits. The ball joints are just a given, they've got to be changed. Brakes seem not too bad. The other thing on here is said Headlamp Aim projected beam image is obviously incorrect on the near side. Now, I wasn't sure about this, so I've got just a board, and it doesn't. I'm going to hold it up and see what you think. Right, can you see that? That is the beam on the driver's side. Yeah, it's quite sharp, isn't it? That is the beam on the near side. So I'm not sure about that. Near side, driver's side. I suppose it's more defined with the kick up on the left hand side. Yeah, I'll have to have a look. Maybe the lamp's damaged or it's got some rust in there or something. Okay guys, that's it for today. Bit disappointing day, but hey, I've got a list of stuff to do. So I've got to order a pair of ball joints, back brakes I've got to sort out, clean them up, do some adjustments. A bit of rust on that back, a bit awkward to get to, front bit should be okay, and then look at that light. So that's it for today. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and please subscribe. Cheers, Anne!